Did you know that KAINE donates a portion of their profit to animal rights organization that works to rescue animals and support animal welfare? Honestly, there's a lot of vegan and cruelty-free brands out there these days, but to take that extra step to share their profit, I just want to give them a big shout out for this. Not only do they have a warm heart, but let me tell you, KAINE products are amazing. It's no surprise that my favorite product from the brand is the cleanser. I chose it as the cleanser for the best of 2022 as well. And these days, I'm in love with their sweat-proof sunscreen as well. That one's a good one. You guys should definitely check it out. I also love KAINE's Kombu Balancing Ampoule Toner. It's the best to do DIY sheet masks with, especially when my skin is screaming for hydration. The texture feels very velvety and nourishing, but it has a very light, watery texture. It's a really elegant first essence that contains 60% of fermented kombucha, giving overall my skin that vibrant skin complexion while calming my skin at the same time. If you're looking for a toner recommendations for the upcoming hot, humid weather, especially for combination or dry, mature skin, I think you'll love this one.